Hey guys, welcome back to another MBF skateboarding video. And today it's raining, and it's been raining for like the past 3 days. So what we've done, we've basically gotten all of our obstacles in our garage, and we're gonna show you how you can use these to skate indoors, so you can skate when it's raining. So one thing you can learn is have like a little box is a nose stop, and these can be very helpful. You can later on learn nose slides to just go fit. Also, you can learn how to ollie off of things. So just dip it down just a bit so you get the slightest bit of pop right there in your tail. Then what you do it all in one step, just drop it. Then you can do like kick flips and pop trivets off. So yeah, you can basically practice any flat ground tricks or stalls where you don't need much room to do it. So yeah, let's get to skating. The end of this video. So just remember, when it's raining out, you can find like a small space like a garage to do tricks and flat ground tricks and little stalls on stuff that will later eventually get you to do bigger stuff like nose slides and tail slides. But anyway, that will be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now